Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Tableau data sources with scheduling refreshes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Tableau and connect to your data source. Navigate to the data menu at the top. Select data source from the drop-down. In the left sidebar, find the data source you want to update. Right-click on the data source. Choose Refresh to manually update the data. To set up a scheduled refresh, go to Tableau Server or Tableau Online. Log into your Tableau Server or Tableau Online account. Locate the desired workbook that contains your data source. Click on the icon next to the workbook name. Select Scheduling from the options available. Next, click on Add Schedule. Choose a refresh schedule that suits your needs, like daily or weekly. Set the desired time for the refresh to occur. Ensure that you select the correct data source from the provided list. Review your settings to confirm everything looks correct. Save the schedule by clicking the Save button. To check if the scheduled refresh works correctly, monitor the refresh status. You can view the status on the Data Sources page under the Status section. If any issues arise, you can troubleshoot the data source connection settings. Once setup is complete, your data will now refresh automatically according to the schedule you defined. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.